my Star Ranch experience, plus Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Ann, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for watching, but hey, if you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. And yes, it arrived yesterday, my Jeffree Star mystery box. Get ready for the unboxing. It's here, my Jeffree Star mystery box. I just ordered one. I really want to see that Star Ranch palette and whatever other surprises he has for me. So let's dig in. All right. And here we go. Okay, what is in here? And oh, it's just a little box. Okay. Let's start with the gloss. What flavor did I get? What color? Silk Robe. Okay. I think this was part of the Orgy collection. Yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Let's just put a little bit. I'm wearing Hidden Hills, so let's put a little bit of this on top. All right. And what is this? This is Tinted Lip Balm. Cowboy Kiss. Oh, I think this is a new product. I haven't heard of this before. It looks dark, but it's semi-sheer and very moisturizing. So, yeah, I like this. And this looks like maybe one of the scrubs. Yeah, another lip scrub. I have one and I love it. This one is called Rainbow Sherbet. Oh, that sounds yummy. Yeah. Oh, it's nice and green. Really cute. Okay. And this is, oh, I got some of these minis. This color is called Power. Oh, that's pretty. And this one, Priceless. And this one is Snack. Yeah, I think I do have Snack. I believe that's one of my favorite colors, though. Oh, that looks like it's a little bit broken, but it's beautiful. Okay, so I got 3 singles. And now the big reveal, Star Ranch. The packaging. And, ooh, isn't that pretty? Wow, I love it. The pink horse and bull. And, oh, Jeffree always goes out of the way in his packaging. I love these colors. Wow. This is amazing. I am so glad I ordered this. And this is the second level palette of the mystery boxes. This one was $60, $115 worth of stuff. And yeah, I'm very happy. All right, I started off today with minimum eyeshadow because I knew I was going to be getting this. But I removed what I had on. And I'm going to do my eyes using Star Ranch. And today I'm going to focus on the neutrals and the gold. And I think tomorrow I'll do a look with focusing on the blues. So I'm going to start off just with a basic brush. And I'm using Yak Farm. Yeah, Jeffree has a Yak Farm now. And I'm going to put this just sort of over the base of my eyelids. It's just sort of a nude base coat. It's a pretty tan color. All right. Yeah, I like that color. It's just very natural. And so I'm taking my liner brush and I'm going in with this brown Wyoming. Jeffree's new home, Wyoming. I think personally I prefer California, but he seems really happy there, so that's good. Yeah, I'm just putting a layer of this along the lash line. And now I'm going with the color that I think is my favorite, this Owl Eyes. Beautiful gold. And let's just go over the entire top eyelid with that. Oh, I love it. Beautiful gold shine. Here it is. I'm taking a little packing brush and I'm going to go in with Open Range, and that is sort of the bronze color, and go along the crease with that. Starting the outer corner and then along the crease. This is really pretty. Using these colors, you get a nude with shine look. The gold I think is my favorite, but these browns are really nice for just enhancing the eye. I think they look good with people of all skin tones as well. I'm really liking this palette. It's so cute. I love the picture, the little clouds on the back. Jeffree has his little pink cow and horse. Yeah, this is just absolutely adorable. It's fun. Beautiful colors inside. Yay, can't wait to try tomorrow and go for the blues. Before I'm done, let me put on my mascara and finish up a little bit of concealer, and I'll be right back. Okay, I redid my mascara and my concealer. I had some on earlier and removed it when getting ready to do Star Ranch. But did not have any fallout. Didn't really have anything to touch up from that. The palette, again, I'm loving it. Gonna be a great palette to travel with. It's just so cute. So I'm looking forward to tomorrow doing the blues. Okay, it's my second day using Star Ranch. Again, these are the colors. And today I'm going blue. I think I'm gonna start off with Winter Wind, this deep blue, and I'm just using my liner brush and going in along the lash line. Put a tiny bit underneath the lash line as well. Okay, and now I'm gonna take Yak Farm again, the beige, and just sort of cover the eyelid. All right, now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I'm gonna be using Jeffree Star Concealer. And just take a little dot of this concealer and just sort of right along here and right along here and blink. Let's take this brush and just sort of spread it. Yes, the family's a bit chatty outside. If you hear background noise. And I think I'll go a little bit back with this Winter Wind and just right along the crease line here, just gently tapping. All right, now I'm taking the small packing brush and I'm going to go in with a little bit of Grand Prismatic, this beautiful light blue, and just go from the outer corner toward the center of the eyelid. That's really deep color, and sort of along the crease line. There we go. We'll do more blending later. All right, now I'm going in with the shimmers and start with Old Jeff. Okay, and then Casper Mountain, and that light one going from the inner corner and do a little bit of dusting sort of at the top of the crease line as well. All right, this is my blue look from Star Ranch. Let me go off camera for a moment, do a mascara, a few other finishing touches, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm loving this palette. I just added a little mascara. I did a little highlight on my cheeks, and I added a little bit of this gloss on top of the lips that I already did using other Jeffree products. I'm going to link to everything, list all the products I used down below. But yeah, this palette, really cool. You know, you can go with a more subtle nude look like I did yesterday, or the bold blue look like I'm doing today. Very cute packaging as always with Jeffree Star. Also, I opened this yesterday. I wasn't quite sure what it was, but I realized this is actually the case to keep your singles. And I just, oh, this one completely fell apart. Oh no. Anyway, this is going to be very useful as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please give us a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.